Back with Joe K. All the group breaks are uploading now. What time is it? Pushing right at 4 o'clock. All 5 breaks are uploading. 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. Well, by the time you see this, they'll probably already be up. 1, 2, 3 top. Tippy top tickles me. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gonna roll for you. Gonna roll for Super, and then I'm gonna roll for Walter. Number 4, Joe K. That's you, which is box number 57. I'm gonna leave it as number 4 though, but that's you. Super. Well, 4's gone. Super. 4's gone. Super, you'll be box number 1, which is number 11. And then Walter is box number 5. So, this break is now 57. Walter, you will be box number 68. Yep, 68. Super's next after this one with box number 11. And that will leave over box number 70, box number 87, and box number 82. Those are the leftovers. Big money, you can do it. That's fine, man, no problem. Joe K, number 57. Logo man, you just have to put an X. There you go. And peel it off like this. And now the logo man will come out. Learned this from a voodoo doctor. Works every time. There we go. Here we go. We have Rudy Gay, number to 99. And we have number to 75, Jeremy Silence of the Lamb. And then number to 40, pretty cool patch, logos patch, Steven Adams. There you go. Next, number to 49, Elgin Baylor. Okay. Like marks down here. Elgin Baylor. Will it? Could it? Nope. Well, it works 90% of the time. You fell in that 10%. Mason Plumlee, patch autograph to 99, and not with the Hawks, but with the Celtics, Dominic Wilkins. Patch autograph 32 of 75. Alright. That'll do it there, Joe K. Thanks, buddy. I'll put it with those others. Let me know what you want to do. See ya.